Welcome to Short View Trading. It's your morning market here for Monday, 7th of March. A day of high drama, lots going on over the weekend. We're seeing that translate into the way the oil price has been behaving in Asian trading hours. As you can see in the chart in front of you now, it's been up about $10 at its highs, eased off a bit from those levels at this very moment, but up over 10% or so in Asian trading, reflecting the news flow over the weekend and the upping of the sanctions momentum that we're hearing, the chat coming out of the States that they're closer to either autonomously sanctioning Russian energy supplies or doing it in conjunction with their European partners. And so the oil price is reacting. The nat gas price, no doubt, in Europe as it opens up this morning will react sharply to the upside as well. And this is the key risk, the key transmission mechanism of this Russian-Ukrainian conflict that is the real risk for global financial markets. Of course, on human terms, it's utterly tragic, but in financial market terms, how it plays out in the energy price is key. Over the weekend, and as we've all been analysing over recent weeks, the dependence of Europe on Russian energy is extremely high, as well as the dependence on some other commodities as well. So risks are high in financial markets. It's a tricky time to navigate these markets. Having said that, a number of the 1 to 2 week market timing models have moved lower on the back of Friday's price action. The risk appetite scoring system that we're putting up in front of you now is back on buy. If you looked at the steepness of the VIX curve, you'd see it remains very fearful. That's how markets remain priced, albeit not all models are giving a wholly consistent message. So to see how we're playing this, please see today's daily rag available to subscribers via the website, or if you're interested in a 7-day free trial, simply click on the link below and enter your name and an email address, and we'll send you the daily rag for free for 7 trading sessions. No credit card details required. And in the daily rag, what we do is update our views on markets on a 1 to 2 week view, and we update all our key models, and we give an explicit recommendation on an equity index future on that 1 to 2 week time frame. So what are we watching today and this week? Well, absolutely key is the way energy prices perform, oil, nat gas, particularly in Europe, the way they react to the news flow over the weekend, whether they sustain those gains, and how that plays therefore into the outlook for the UK, European, global economy and inflation situation. So that is front and centre, the reaction of those. Any more news on sanctions, particularly on the energy spectrum, we'll be watching closely. Over and above that, the ECB pronounces on Thursday they've got a meeting and there's a press conference with Lagarde. That'll be watched closely. How is Europe going to react to this latest crisis? How is their monetary policy going to shift, or is it not? Which way will they go, and what will the message be coming out of Christine Lagarde and the ECB on Thursday? Over and above that, inflation's important. It's coming out in the States and in China this week. CPI PPI also in China. We'll be watching those closely, as well as a ton of other macro data. NFIB out the States, JOLTS, consumer credit, all sorts of bits and pieces of data coming out over the course of this week. So that's it from us. That's your morning market here for Monday, 7th of March. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube. Simply search under Short View Trading and click on the subscribe button, or follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter and or Facebook. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Trade well.